I don't know if these are my muscles moving around on my face. I think so. There's actually so many muscles in your face. I mean, we go from this to almost like, I definitely need to be doing this every single day. Let me have a sip of water. Woo! Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually really fun. It's really fun, and it's gonna be all about how to properly apply our products to our face, but specifically our oils today. This is something I can definitely improve on when it comes to my own routine. I find myself, even like when I'm talking with you guys, when I'm showing you something, I find myself like dragging my skin down, like doing a lot of this motion, which is incorrect. That actually sags the skin, and we don't want that. We're also going to follow up with a little massage that you can do at home. It's gonna make you feel like, you know, you're getting a facial, but you're doing it yourself, okay? But first, have your sip of water, because you're probably dry, dehydrated, all the above. Also though, how cute is my water bottle? These type of like water bottles with the time ticks, they're so helpful. Because when I look at the time, I'm like, oh my God, it's noon and I'm only at the 9 a.m. mark. Like, I need to drink some more water. I can link that below if you guys are interested in it. So like I've already mentioned, this is definitely an area in my skincare game that I can improve on. So we're gonna get some help today, okay? A few weeks ago, my homegirl Mimi uploaded her daily serum and oil application. I watched the video and I was like, oh my God, this is how I should be applying my product. She says this routine has been super effective for her skin. So I thought, why don't we just kind of do this thing like a tutorial where I'll be watching the video and actually applying the product with her. I already went ahead to do my skincare routine. The only step that I didn't do was apply my oil. This is the last step. This seals all of our goodness into the skin. The oil that I've been loving, this has actually been in my skincare cabinet for a minute, okay? She's not no newbie. She's been around the block a couple times. This is the Biossance Squalane and Vitamin C Rose Oil. Such a good oil. She's super nourishing, super hydrating, but also still lightweight. The big thing with me when it comes to oils is like, look, okay, I just put all of that moisturizer and creams, double cream, you know, on my skin. I don't need anything that's gonna clog my pores even more. This does not. She's fabulous. Okay, so we have her. Boom. Let's just press play.
Hey guys, so this is a video on how I apply my
She's so beautiful. Look at her skin.
My routine. This is also how I would apply it. I believe that this technique helps the absorption of oils and serums. It feels great, and I just feel like I look so much better afterwards. I look forward to hearing what you guys say about it.
Okay, one, I told you guys, she's absolutely gorgeous. Do you see how healthy her skin is? So we know this routine is some good, okay?
So I start with a good amount of oil on my hands.
All right, so let's grab our oil. Yeah, that looks like enough. You're just gonna rub it all between your hands and make sure it's applied evenly.
And then smooth on the face, like so. Everywhere.
Always come down the neck. We're gonna talk about why when we get into our massaging in a little bit.
So with my fingertips, I start to press lightly underneath of my eyes and just run out.
Oh, this feels good. I don't know if these are my muscles moving around on my face. I think so. There's actually so many muscles in your face. Oh my God, this feels so good. I definitely need to be doing this every single day. And if you can't necessarily see what this is, I'm just taking my two fingers, almost like if you did a peace sign, right where this crack is, this space, that's where you're gonna fit your jawline. And you're just gonna use some pressure and go backwards. This is also like an arm workout. Okay. Ooh, Mimi, what's next, girl? What's next?
I'm gonna take a little bit more oil so I have some more slip. And then we're gonna apply it to our neck. And it's always important to work on the neck because that's where everything drains out of. Every time you do a motion here or here or here, remember to bring it down out of the neck.
I'm literally just doing everything she's doing.
For my eyes, what I love to do, as if I were like about to sneeze, like that, like this, and these two fingers, I just allow it to run out like that.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh, this feels so good. Oh, that's it. Always bring it back down. Oh, amazing. Whoa, that felt really good. It felt very different than any other oil application I have done in the past. Like my face feels so like alive. Now the massage, which is really fun. You have your oils all worked in, so your chest should be, I don't know, pretty oily, pretty moisturized. If you want, it doesn't hurt to just take a little bit more. I definitely am, because why not? We want to begin by opening up the area where our drainage is going to. I just take like 2 fingers and just press. You can even take your hand and kind of press like this. You can see that, yeah, like there. And even go to that collarbone here. It's definitely really tricky to do by yourself. So we're getting that to open up, and then we're going to move on to our neck here. I almost like to do a circular like massage right underneath, again, that jaw bone. Is it a jawbone? Yes. You're going to just rub here, definitely light pressure. You're going to do some circles, and then don't forget to drain it down. Circle, drain, honey. Yes. All right, so we're at our jaw, right? As you can see, this massage is just moving up the face. So now we're to our jaws, and we're going to use those bunny ears, okay, that we was using with Mimi, and we're going to do that jaw motion. We actually already did this. Just going to do that a couple times here. Oh, whew, it feels so good. And then we want to take it to our entire face. So I just use my hands like palms, I guess. Start from my nose and push back. Again, this is something Mimi already taught us here. I'm using that in this massage. You press back. Press back. You can still pull down. Press back. Oh, and still pull down. You press back and still pull down. Now, this is how you get a contour without any surgery. Okay, we're not talking about any makeup. All that takes is just some muscle stimulation. This is where I really start to see some results. Like, I mean, we go from this to almost like, you know, not so dramatic, but that. So we take this hand and we definitely press, but we follow up with the scissors. Remember to push that all the way back. Can you kind of see that a little bit? The difference in this side and this side. I mean, this eye looks a bit more lifted for sure. So just imagine doing this in your routine, I mean, daily. Okay, you ain't gonna need no Instagram filter, honey. You're gonna be... Okay, lastly, before we give ourselves that final like drain, we're gonna work a little bit on the eyes. Eyes is a little bit more of a sensitive area, so I won't say go crazy with the pressure here. You wanna move really slow. Definitely don't rush around your eyes, but you wanna get that blood circulating here. Blood circulation is really what helps your dark circles, and also puffiness. This is definitely an area where I can take more time. Does this look funny? Do I look funny? Here, bring it down. Whoo! So yeah, I really hope that was helpful for you guys. I definitely learned some new things for my routine. I will challenge you guys to add this application and even massage to your daily skincare. You will 100% see a difference in your skin results and even the effectiveness of your products. Okay, so that's it. Me and my oil. Thank you so much for always coming through. Biossance. Did I say it was from Biossance? That's the oil that I used today. That's it. That's all. I'm gonna go. Oh, have some water. Have some water. Ugh, get my straw. Crap. Get some water now.